Let's square binomial. So let's say we have x plus 6 squared. So this really means we have two copies of whatever we have inside. Okay, and some people use box methods. So let's set up the box, or we call it expansion box. Just like multiplication table. Right? And then just like multiplication table, you're just going to multiply. Here you get x times x, so that's going to be x squared. Here you get 6 times x, so plus 6x. You get x times 6, 6x, and then 6 times 6, that's 36. And now you're going to add everything, or combine like terms. So you get x squared. These two guys are like terms, so that's going to be, we can add like integer. So that's going to be 12x plus 36. That's the expansion form of it. And if you realize, coefficient of x is twice as big as this 6, and constant is square of this number. Let's look at the other example. So this guy, well, we gotta square that, is, again, we have two copies of it, right? Now, you're going to multiply this guy by this guy, and then this guy by the same guy. So first, you set up 4r times 4r plus 3s plus, you're going to multiply this guy times the parentheses on the right. Now let's expand that. So 4r times 4r is, well, 4 times 4 is 16. R times r is you're multiplying two copies of r, so it should be r squared. 4r times 3s is going to be 4 times 3 is 12. R times s is rs. Do the same thing, 3 times 4. SR or rs, same thing because of the commutative property. And then 3s times 3s is going to be 9 and the two copies of s. Now combine like terms. 24rs because you have 12rs and you have another 2 rs, another 12rs, so it should be 12rs. And then we have 9s squared. So if you realize that this guy is square of this guy is the square of this guy, and then this guy is the twice as, so you multiply these two guys first, so that's 12s, and then double it, you get 24rs in the shorthand.